Can we request our partners, Chief Superintendent Bobby Barvelo, the OIC of the Bureau of Fire Protection, the Chief Community Assistant Development Division, Police Superintendent Luisito Bolivar of the PMP. Can we also call Ms. Elsie De Vera, representative from Ecowaste Coalition. We have from the local government unit, Mr. Cesar Felizardo. Please join us here. Undersecretary Bayugot. Okay, isa Marikina. Dito na po kayo sa kabila. Sa Marikina. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Okay, kanina for this year sa Felipe Calderon Integrated School at ang mga bata kanina. Ngayon naman, ang press conference ay ginagawa po ngayon dito sa Department of Health. Una muna, ang unang pananalita ng ating mahal na kalihim, Secretary Ubial.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat at sa ating mga partners sa Ecowaste Coalition at saka sa Bureau of Fire, sa ating mga partners rin sa media. Ito po ay taunang kampanya ng Department of Health, and again, we are here to appeal to all of you for injury-free holidays. And as usual, we are encouraging and promoting community fireworks display. Children and parents are continuously reminded to have a safe and prosperous New Year and to avoid injuries such as the picture that we have on the right side of this stage due to exploding fireworks like piccolo as Filipinos gear up for the holiday celebration. The Department of Health teams up with the Department of Interior and Local Government, particularly the Bureau of Fire, the Department of Trade and Industry, the Department of Labor and Employment, Department of Education, the Philippine National Police, and the Ecowaste Coalition as it officially launches the 2016 Anti-Firecracker campaign, which carries the theme, Iwas Paputok, Fireworks Display ang Patok. Makiisa, fireworks display sa inyong lugar. In the past, the Department of Health conveyed its message through both scare tactics and positive approaches. This year's campaign is focused on encouraging the public to use alternative ways in celebrating Christmas and welcoming the New Year, and avoid the use of firecrackers, which causes injuries. For this year, instead of firecrackers, the public is encouraged to use safe, merry-making instruments and alternative noisemakers, such as ayan, toroto, and mga drum and other instruments to also play loud music. And we're encouraging also the local government units to foster community fireworks display. Last year, the Department of Health reported a total of 932 cases of injuries nationwide. And for the past 5 years, walang pagbabago. So hindi ho effective ang ating campaign to reduce injuries. And this was 72 cases higher than the 2014 number of injuries. So pataas pa pala rather than plateauing, no? Of the 932 reported injuries, 98.7% were due to fireworks. 1.1 from stray bullets, may stray bullets pa rin po tayo, and 2 were cases of firecracker ingestion. There was 1 death due to massive injuries from an exploding Goodbye Philippines. Any type of fireworks, illegal or not, can cause injuries. Majority of, or 555 cases, or 59% of the fireworks-related injuries was caused by illegal fireworks. But still, 29% or 277 were caused by legal fireworks. So, it doesn't matter if it's illegal or legal, it can cause injuries. Children should never use fireworks. Approximately 40% of those with injuries were children less than 15 years old. Most fireworks-related injuries come from the NCR, dito po sa atin, 56%, followed by Western Visayas, 9%, and Ilocos Region, 7%. In case of an injury due to firecrackers, the DOH reminds that wounds must be immediately washed with clean running water until all visible dirt and gunpowder residue is removed. The patient must immediately be rushed to the nearest health facility for proper medical attention to prevent permanent injuries and disabilities and death due to tetanus. The DOH assures that all DOH hospitals are prepared to attend injuries related to fireworks. Serious injuries and amputation caused by firecracker explosions, have life-changing consequences. It is an extreme gamble on one's future. Every time a firecracker is ignited, a person's life is at risk. Let us do our part. Iwas Paputok, fireworks display ang patok. Makisa, fireworks display sa inyong lugar. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Secretary Ubial. Now,